Hello everyone, what's up? And a really good news for all the 7X users. 7X, which went on sale last month with a price tag of $199 of the 3GB variant, is confirmed to get face unlock. Yes, you heard it right. Honor 7X will get face unlock pretty soon. Recently the company confirmed they are going to be launching the red Honor 7X around Valentine, and a day after they confirmed that Honor 7X will get face unlock via an OTA update in Q1 2018. The company also added this is the first time a phone costing 199 USD is gonna have such a feature. And also some of the Chinese unit of Honor 7X has got an update, and people are reporting that they have got the gyroscope sensor. A gyroscope sensor which was missing on Honor 7X has arrived, but that update is yet to arrive on other units. So not really sure about the gyroscope, but face unlock, it's official, it's confirmed, coming in Q1 2018. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. If you're not, do share this good news. I want to make this video. I was really excited to update you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and as always, peace out.